Hi. Alright, so this is sort of inspired makeup by the video for airplanes. Um, it's based from what Hayley Williams has got, like, makeup wise. I did attempt the hair. Didn't work very well. I can't do hair. Most of my hair ever gets in the morning is sort of brushed and then left alone. The earrings. She doesn't wear earrings like this. I just thought they sort of can't speak. I just thought they sort of went well with the makeup. And then the makeup is just sort of pretty simple yellow, tiny, not even noticeable. Start again. Not even noticeable. Oh my god. There's green in the crease, but you can't see it. False lashes, natural lips, tiny bit of pink blush. Yeah, hope you like it. Start with foundation, and then I'm going to put concealer on after. This is Maybelline Wonder Finish. It is a liquid to powder foundation, and it's the only one that I've ever used. I think this shade is number 3. It's Natural Ivory. Just go over the lips as well, sort of block out the colour a little bit. Using an e.l.f. flat top synthetic powder brush for this. I just find that it blends out really easily. Oops. Right. And I'm going to take concealer. This is the e.l.f. All Over Cover Stick. Just around the nose, under the eyes, and anywhere else that you need it. And I'm going to put a powder all over. Oops. This is the e.l.f. Clarifying Pressed Powder. I love this. Alright, and for an eyeshadow base, I'm just going to use the cover stick again. Alright, so in the video it's just, I think, just yellow. So, I'm going to take the really light yellow, the one right at the top, and put this in the inner like the inner third. Like that. Then I'm going to take the one below it, which is just slightly darker. The yellow one. Shuffle things about. And get that in the middle and sort of overlap it a little bit. just like that. This is the Beauty UK palette. I'm just going to take the yellow one. These aren't very pigmented, but I think they might show up better over the top of this. Yeah. This is sort of the outer third. Now in the video that's pretty much it, but I think I'm gonna, yeah, just a tiny little bit in the crease. I'm gonna add this lime green. It's the middle one here, and it actually has like yellow like shimmer flecks through it, so just a tiny little bit of that. Yeah. Right. For a highlight, I'm going to take the very top one, the really shimmery white one, and just dust it right there. Like that. And then for just a tiny tear duct highlight, I'm going to take the silver at the other side, up the top, and just a tiny little bit of that in the tear duct. Alright, now I'm going to take a black pencil to my waterline and I'm going to tightline with it as well. If you can't tightline, it's fine. Some people can't do it, some people can. I can, so I'm going to. And then I'm just going to take liquid liner across the top. Alright, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. And I think I'm going to add false lashes just for effect. I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. Not too much, just a light pink shade. It's on the lips, if I can find it. Where's it gone? It's sitting right in front of me. This is I'm not actually sure where this is from. Rimmel Nude Pink Lipstick. And now just to add a tiny little bit more colour, I'm going to add a little bit of this Beauty UK lipstick, shade number 8. Just a little bit in the middle. And then my usual favourite, just Colourworks lip gloss. So that's how it looks. It looks a bit like a bee actually. Oh well. That's it. Hope you liked it. It's pretty simple. Try it out.